Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You're starting by getting Apple Music ready. Sign in with your Apple ID and confirm you have a subscription because karaoke tracks are subscription-gated. Once signed in, enable microphone access in Settings so the app can capture your singing. This also lets you control vocal levels. Make sure you've paired a speaker or selected AirPlay to route audio. Clearer sound helps you hear backing vocals and lyrics in time, which improves pitch and timing as you begin the first song. Now find a karaoke-ready track. Search a song and look for lyrics or a sing-along badge that indicates the track supports real-time words. Tap lyrics to display time-synced lines so you can follow along. This is how you stay on beat. If sing-along is present, activate it to mute lead vocals or enable duet mode. Then adjust the vocal level slider to lower lead vocals or bring them up. These controls let you balance the mix for a performance-ready sound. When you're set, hit record to capture your performance and sing along with the displayed lyrics. Recording saves a copy you can review and share. Make sure mic placement is steady, move closer for warmth, farther for less clipping, and do multiple takes so you can pick the best one. If lyrics lag or jump, make sure the app is updated and your network or AirPlay connection is stable. If problems persist, toggle offline cache or restart the app to resolve timing issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.